Alright, we're out here now in our riding area, which is Gravesend Bay, Brooklyn, New York. We actually pulled out past that pink and white building, which is Marine Base and Marina. We come this direction, we turn around, you'll pan into where our riding area basically stops, which is right before the Verrazano Bridge. This entire bay is a great riding area. It's very low vessel traffic, it's calm waters, it's not glass like a lake, and it's not rough like the ocean. It's a perfect riding area. Alongside there is the Belt Walkway. Go over some maneuvers on the water that we were explaining at the dock. Basically right now, like I said, the safety lanyard's always attached. Life jacket on, PFD is on. Right now we're at an idle speed. I'm going to keep it over here a little bit, just bear with us. We're at idle speed right now, so at all times we'll be going at an idle speed forward. Unless you pull in reverse. This particular wave runner here, this PWC, is the same as the one I was on before, which my videographer Mondi is on right now. Reverse is the same fashion. Forward is just regular forward idle. Back actuates the clamshell, which is providing a stern or reverse propulsion. As I hit the throttle, when it hit reverse, you'll see me back up a little bit. If I go forward, it's exactly the opposite. So without using the throttle, I can sit here and talk to Mondi, who's filming, and station keep, maintain my position at idle speed. Little handlebar just to put the nose, the bow of the vessel the right way, and that's it. So as you're out in the water, you don't want to slam into each other. When you're riding, you stay at least 100 feet away from other objects, land, other vessels. When you're out here with each other, you try to stay close enough where you can hear each other without screaming top of your lungs, but not too close where you're going to drift and damage the machines or scratch the machines or hurt yourself. So like I said, again, you don't need the throttle. You can station keep this with the reverse. If you need a little bit more input, just apply a little much throttle as necessary. Now I'm gonna make a pass, and as I do that, I'm gonna pull out the lanyard to simulate as if someone was to fall off the ski, and you'll see how long it takes for the vessel to stop. Just a little bit of practical application. We'll do that in a moment. Now, as you see, where I yanked the lanyard out, it took that much distance for the machine to stop at a speed of about 40 knots. It took it over here. So if you didn't have that in, you would be stranded, the machine would disappear. That's the importance of the lanyard. As far as steering-wise, when you're on the water, I'm going to make another pass, and without throttle, I'm going to actuate the handlebars. You're going to see how there's no steering. No steering. Again, no steering. Only steering when you have throttle. Give it a gas, turn. Gas, turn. I'm going to do now, actually, wish it was a little warmer, but I'm going to actually immerse myself in the water as if I did fall off. Yeah, I'm going to do it. So what I'm going to do is show the proper way to reboard the craft. That's the purpose of this. If you do go in the water, it does happen. It's no big deal. You dust yourself off and you get back on. The right thing to do is to get on the machine the right way. So first thing to do once you go in the water is make sure if the machine is on its side, you right the vessel back to the position it is now. You want the vessel to float and upright properly. First thing before yourself, make sure it's upright the proper way. If not, you're going to suck the water into the motor. It's going to hydro-lock, which means water goes into the motor, seizes the engine, and you're done. The machine's done, ride is over, and it's a world of headaches. So first thing to do once you're in the water, get the machine upright. Second thing is, you reboard the vessel from the back, which I'm going to demonstrate. You do not want to do what a human being's first instinct is to swim to the side. If you try to reboard from the side, picture this vessel as a log. It's very unstable side to side. If you try to get on, it's unstable. You reboard from the back, which obviously it's longer, it's more stable front to back, obviously, than it is side to side. So I'm going to go in the water now as if I fell off. I'm going to show the mistake of reboarding from the side, and then I'll show the proper way to do it from the back. That's cold. Alright, if you get off from the side, this is what happens. It's going to tilt, and you can roll the ski over. You don't not want to do that, especially with 2 people. You're going to tilt this over, it's going to roll, suck motor into the engine compartment, and you're done. This is cool. So what you want to do, simply reboard from the back, like I said, where it's more stable. It's just like climbing a rope ladder at a carnival or a amusement park, whatever may have you. Again, it's more stable front to back. Simply grab on. You're going to pull yourself, so take a deep breath for a second. Most of the time we'll be out there assisting you. Just get your knees up. No special skill. Just get your knees up and reboard from the back. Push it back on. Your lanyard would have been attached to you the whole time. You obviously would have came off. The machine would stop. You'd swim back to it. Put it back on. Start it up. And of course, in the process, there's always a supervisor, one of our staff members or one of ourselves here, going to assist you back on the machine if for any reason you can't get back on. Sometimes you can right away, sometimes it takes a moment or 2 or 2 attempts. We'll be here with you assisting you. As long as you reboard from the back the right way, you're good to go. And that basically wraps it up as far as our orientation and our safety briefing. We hope that whoever watched this video gained a better insight onto proper procedures as far as operation, safety, reboarding, maneuvering. That's basically it. We go through a more hands-on explanation when we are down at the dock. I hope this video answered a lot of your questions and gave you a brief introduction to what you to expect when you come down to our company and come out for a rental or a tour. Thank you for your time.